Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so full disclaimer, it is what? September 16th, right? Y'all, I got my keto crate. Yes, it's a keto crate video. I got my keto crate probably like the end of August. I'm so sorry for the delay in bringing this to you, but I'm the type, let me let y'all know, if I don't feel like putting on makeup, doing my hair, getting dressed for this camera, then I don't want to be on. I don't want to film because I want to be cute regardless, whatever I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Especially if I'm doing like an unboxing, a review, I want to be presentable. So apologies for the delay in showing you this September keto crate. So that's what we got today. But I'm on my lunch break. I look presentable, cute, got a little brow, lash, lip gloss. So I was like, let me go ahead and tape. So yes, this is the September keto crate video. Another disclaimer, because I took so long to tape this, some of the products are gone. Yes, some of them I've eaten already, but I'm still gonna show you the packaging, tell you about them, give you a little tidbit about each product, okay? So y'all forgive me, I'm gonna do better. I really am, I promise. I promise. Y'all don't believe me. Whatever. Let's open this box, okay? Okay, so the first thing, and yes, this is one of the items that I ate already because they were so good. I have honestly been looking for some good almond flour crackers. So High Key has some. You see them? These were really good. They reminded me of like a thicker Cheez-It. So yeah, I killed them. Almond flour crackers. They are 2 grams, 2 net carbs per serving, and they're about 8 pieces per serving. So these by themselves were so good. So yeah, empty package. I'm so sorry. I can't even show you like the actual cracker. And you know what? Sidebar, I heard that Real Fat Foods, they have a really good almond cracker that people, well, a lot of keto influencers rave about. So I'm gonna try those one day. But these were really good. They really were. Okay. So then they gave us a $100 off, including free shipping for Green Chef balanced meals. I'm not a big person of ordering these meals because I just like cooking. So this was in there as well, $100 off. I won't use it. So if you try to screenshot this and use it, you go ahead. I really don't care. This is another item. This is another item that it was so good. Like, these were basically like, they reminded me of M&Ms. So they are Good Sam, be an ally for small farms, dark chocolate, candy coated almonds, no sugar added. These were delicious, y'all. Like, they have like that crunchy shell, like a peanut M&M. Serving size was 1 ounce. So I would get like a handful. 13 total carbs, 2 grams of dietary fiber, 5 grams of sugar alcohol. So 4 net carbs per serving. So these were it. You see that picture? That's exactly what they look like. I mean, they were pretty much almond M&Ms, So those were really good. They were dark chocolate. You got used to the dark chocolate flavor because I know a lot of people don't like dark chocolate because it can be bitter, but it actually had a really good balance. So I really like those a lot. Okay, so the next product, I've never heard of it. It's blean bars with benefits, Jimmy protein bar, a macadamia nut, keto-friendly, grain and gluten-free bar. So here it is, and it has 16 grams of fats, 4 net carbs, and that's for the entire bar, 210 calories. I don't even know what to expect out of this bar. It feels chewy. I'm very hesitant with chewy bars because sometimes I'm just not a big fan of those artificial flavors, like that last box where we got like a lemon blueberry one. Ugh, it was so, I'm sorry, it was so gross. And there was one before that, I think it was banana nut. Oh, that was so gross. It was so gross. So hopefully this one makes me happy, hopefully. So Jimmy, that's what it is, okay. Then we have Good D's, which I've seen on Amazon, I believe. Still sweet, sugar-free cookie, low-carb baking mix. This is exciting. Y'all, I love baking sugar cookies, and most keto sugar cookies that I've made, I think Lakanto has a good one. Their sugar cookie mix is fire. So is, no, we'll just leave it at that. So this is a grain-free, sugar-free, gluten-free, wheat-free sugar cookie mix. And yeah, it's 12 servings per mix. And does it give me the macros? So 9 total carbs, 3 grams of dietary fiber, 4 grams of sugar alcohol. So yeah, this is very keto friendly. 2 grams net carbs per serving. So I cannot wait to make these. Super excited about this. Okay, so this is another product. I didn't eat all of it, but you see the top of the bag is cut off because I was eating these last night with cream cheese. Yeah, I was just starving. These are the barbecue ones. These are the epic pork rinds. Now, I've not been a big fan of these. They sell these in, where I've seen most of them is Whole Foods. They don't have any salt. They just have like the flavor. I feel like it's a pork rind. So I don't need it to be salty. You know what I'm saying? Like pork, salt, flavor. These were actually good though. This barbecue flavor was actually very good. I was very shocked. And I ate them with some cream cheese. I was craving something salty and it was perfect. So thumbs up for these. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of epic pork rinds, but my favorite are the ones at Kroger. I think they're like baconettes. Those are really good. Very, very good. I think they're, I don't know what flavor they are, but look for them at Kroger. I think Walmart too. The next thing I've seen, protein puffs. I've seen these on Amazon. This is the sour cream and onion flavor. It's 2 net carbs for the whole bag. The entire bag, 2 net carbs. Protein puffs, 14 grams protein, 2 carbs. Let's open it up. I have a feeling I know what they're gonna look like. Yeah, of course. Protein puffs, you see them? Let's focus. Come on, there it is. So just like, oh, they're good. I need some water. A little dry, a puff, but not bad. Not bad. If I had to sit at my desk and snack on this, I wouldn't be mad about it. Shrewd Food Protein Puffs. 14 grams of protein, sour cream and onion. Not bad at all. I cannot complain. Now I know I'm gonna love this one. I love the mix of cheese and nuts. Like even at Kroger where they have those like protein packs, like with cheese, nuts, and like chocolate or something. They're in the cold section by the bacon and the sausage. Love those. So this is this is moon cheese. I love moon cheese. I get them every time I go to Starbucks. This is the protein blitz mix. So it is, what is this? Almonds and cheddar. Whole roasted almonds. It's a power pack with crunchy cheddar bites, whole roasted almonds. I cannot wait to eat this. I cannot wait. Do y'all see it? Yes, there it is. I love a good focus. Blitz mix. It's keto friendly, of course. Shout out to Keto Krate. 12 grams of protein, 2 grams of sugar, 5 grams of carbs for the, actually 3 grams net carbs. So 5 grams total carbs, 3 grams net carbs. Yep. I'm gonna probably kill this in one sitting easily. We have a keto friendly ratio bar. I think I'm gonna try to put this over my yogurt because I love their yogurt is really good. This brand, Ratio Keto, their vanilla keto yogurt is so good, and the strawberry, but I like vanilla because it's like more of a base where I can put things on top of it. So I'll probably crunch this up and put it on top of the yogurt. It's 2 net carbs, so yeah, no guilt. Love a good crunch, love good sweetness. And then we have a Keto Crisp. It looks like it's a chewy bar. It's by Can Do, almond butter flavor, 4 grams net carbs. I have never heard of them. Never heard of them at all. It has MCT oil, 10 grams of protein, 2 grams of total sugar, 10 grams of fiber. Healthy. It says move over peanut butter. We've married the flavor of creamy roasted California almonds with the texture of a Rice Krispie treat. Okay, I'm envisioning it, you know. So yeah, I love the packaging. This is cute. You know what it reminds me of? Tracy Ellis Ross's, or is it Tracy Ellis Ross? Yeah, her packaging for her hair products because of that goldenrod color. Yeah, I like this. It's cute. Okay, Kraft pork stick, Thai green curry flavor. This is interesting. You see that? It's a beef jerky, right? I think it's beef. Oh, it's big pork, excuse me. It's paleo friendly. Okay. One package is this stick. Oh, less than 1 carb. Of course. It's pork. It's a pork stick, of course. This is always keto friendly, always. Thai green curry. That's an interesting flavor. And then look. So I talked about the keto bar, right? This keto bar, which is ratio keto, remember, right? And what did I say? What did I say? Their yogurt is fire. Look what's in here. Look. Save 30%, 30 cents on one of their yogurts. I told y'all, their yogurt is fire. It's so good. Like the vanilla flavor, hands down, awesome. Well, that's it, y'all. That's everything. I'm so happy that I took the time out to finally get to y'all. Yes, it's mid-September. Don't judge me, okay? This is the September Keto Krate. Have y'all signed up yet for Keto Krate? Have you? Don't lie. If you have not, please, 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 please use my code MissChay84. You'll get $10 off your first Keto Krate. $10 off. Don't say I never gave you nothing besides my sweet face. But anyways, I hope that y'all enjoyed this quick unboxing. I'm trying to keep my videos coming. I'm hoping that y'all are enjoying them. Are you keto? If not, it's still delicious snacks. Keto Krate, I'll put the link in the description box below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all are awesome. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.